Hi everyone. The 702 horsepower Ram 1500 TRX is an impressive and intimidating machine. Its body is 8 inches wider than the regular Ram 1500, and its off-road capabilities have been transformed. This is thanks to a stronger frame, an even more sophisticated suspension, and myriad other enhanced characteristics. The 2021 Ram 1500 TRX is also loaded with a seriously luxurious interior and packed with all the latest technology. Engineers say the TRX has a bit of a Jekyll and Hyde complex, which makes it easygoing on-road, but aggressive when you want it to be. And the second you toggle the drive mode selector from auto to sport, things change dramatically. Pressing that button shuts off the traction control and unleashes all 702 horses in an instant. Even the slightest poke at the gas pedal makes the Ram TRX accelerate with scary force. Sport mode didn't just make the TRX feel more responsive, it also made the truck handle like an absolute dream. The adaptive steering is phenomenal in this model, weighty and responsive, with none of the vague center feeling you feel in auto mode. The adaptive suspension is tauter and more responsive, too. That means you can fling the TRX into the twisties, with near sports car-like precision. The TRX is unbelievably flat in the corners for a truck of its size, and even with big, knobby 35-inch off-road tires, there's a solid amount of feedback from the pavement to your fingertips. This truck is so fast, so agile, and so much fun, and this is all before we even make it to the off-road course. The secret to the TRX's high-flying capabilities is its thoroughly re-engineered chassis, which is 74% different from the Rebel on which it's based. Bilstein Blackhawk active shock absorbers produce anywhere from 22 to 2,000 pounds of damping force at each corner, while the bushings are essentially 1-ton units packaged into half-ton suspension parts. And then there are the rear springs, at 26.6 inches tall. They're the largest on any vehicle in the world, custom-made for the TRX. The tires also make a significant contribution to the TRX's off-road capabilities. Like the rear springs, this set of Goodyear Territory rubber, 325/65R18, was custom-made for the TRX, measuring in at 35 inches tall. These are some of the largest, most hardcore tires we've ever tested. That massive rubber hides 14.9-inch front and 14.1-inch rear brake rotors. These massive brakes give the TRX ample stopping power, even at the highest of speeds. Ram quotes 4.5 seconds on the pavement, but the lead powertrain engineer tells us that figure is actually closer to 4.2 seconds. And if you find a long enough straight, the TRX will top out at 118 miles per hour, which makes it the fastest truck anywhere. Insane. Numbers like that are all the more unbelievable when you consider the sheer size of the TRX, which at first glance looks even larger than expected. The TRX sports a slightly different blacked-out grille with a huge Ram wordmark, a new vented hood to accommodate and cool the supercharged V8, and slight design tweaks to the front fascia and rear valance. If you did want to go all out on styling, though, Ram does offer more than 100 Mopar accessories, including a bed-mounted Ram bar, roof-mounted LEDs, beadlock-capable wheels, and more. Ram widened the TRX by 8.0 inches to accommodate the extra half-foot track compared to the regular 1500. See those amber lights on the bumper corners and hidden in the hood scoop? Those are there because this truck is so broad-shouldered that the Fed's mandated clearance markers. Engineers also revised the suspension geometry, adding an extra 0.8 inch to the wheelbase in order to fit the massive 35-inch tall tires. Ram says from an engineering standpoint, you can't go any bigger. All in all, the truck sits 11.8 inches off the ground. Problem is, that added height makes stepping into the TRX a challenge. Ram offers 2 fixed sidestep options on the TRX. When you do eventually climb inside the TRX, there's a lot to like. There's a new flat-bottomed steering wheel wrapped in leather, aluminum paddle shifters for the first time ever on a Ram truck, and 2 different seating options to choose from, a combo of cloth and vinyl or leather and suede. The 12.0-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen with Uconnect 4. The Ram TRX starts at $69,995. The Ram TRX is more than just a Hellcat engine shoved into a 1500. Yes, it is stupid fast and wonderfully loud, like you'd expect. You'll beat pretty much any other truck between stoplights. Instead, it's the careful and thoughtful engineering applied to the suspension and chassis that makes this truck so damn special and so capable. Illogical or not, the Ram TRX is the pinnacle of performance truck engineering. Thanks for watching.